probably get that stage in life. Think about my legacy. And I really believe that one's legacy, my legacy, will not be defined by the companies that I've worked for or organizations that you've run. It's defined by who you mentor. And I was thinking about one of the things my dad said to me. He used to say, Keith, you know you're a good father when you see your children's children. By the way, my dad was a great dad when I look at my 5 children. So I think my legacy will be defined by my mentees. And isn't that what Sigma Chi is all about? Paying it forward, passing it forward.